People will come out and say, whatever for him, that's his power. That's why I wrote the opt. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. Johnny Depp and his ex-wife, Amber Heard, have settled their defamation claims against each other, and it sure seems like we might not be hearing about the legal drama surrounding the duo anytime soon. Keep watching to know how the settlement unfolded. The toggle between Amber and Depp went from months to years, and now the pair may have reached a compromise. The lawyers of both celebrities have thrashed out a deal which will see Heard's insurance company pay Depp $1 million to put an end to the case. However, in an important victory for the Aquaman actress, there are no restrictions about what she can say with regards to the case, and she has accepted no guilt. But fans aren't buying that. As you may already know, the UK judge favored her, but the US court's verdict was an entirely different experience for the actress, making her fall deep into losses and bad reputation. As a result, pretty much everyone thought JD will be $10 million richer, but we all thought wrong as the exhausting legal suit has led Depp to settle for way less than expected. Meanwhile, the duo's legal teams have been locked in discussions to avoid the pain of a bruising third trial after Heard filed an appeal, and a deal was finally made recently, with both sides agreeing to put out a statement very soon. Amber is now looking forward to moving on with her life, as she planned to do 6 years ago, a source close to the actress reported. She wants to put this unfortunate episode behind her and turn to what she loves in life: her career, her family, and her causes. Interestingly, in the bombshell statement posted on Instagram by Heard, she claimed, "My life as I knew it was destroyed by the court cases." She added she had lost all faith of getting justice in the American legal system, comparing it to her treatment in the UK courts, and claimed that her former husband had won in the Virginia courtroom because of a vote for popularity and power over reason and due process. Besides, since she already sold her La Hone to help fund a legal action, she didn't want to risk losing even more. And let's face it, she really was on the verge of losing it all. So this settlement means her home insurance company will take on the payment to Depp. The full statement reads, "After a great deal of deliberation, I have made a very difficult decision to settle the defamation case brought against by my ex-husband in Virginia. It's important for me to say that I never chose this. I defended my truth, and in doing so, my life as I knew it was destroyed. The vilification I have faced on social media is an amplified version of the ways in which women are re-victimized when they come forward. Now, I finally have an opportunity to emancipate myself from something I attempted to leave over 6 years ago, and on terms I can agree to. I have made no admissions." Albert Diers Morris should continue. "When I stood before a judge in the UK, I was vindicated by a robust, impartial, and fair system where I was protected from having to give the worst moments of my testimony in front of the world's media, and where the court found that I was subjected to domestic and sexual violence in the US. However, I exhausted almost all my resources in advance of and during a trial in which I was subjected to a courtroom in which abundance, direct evidence that corroborated my testimony was excluded, and in which popularity and power mattered more than reason and due process.